Hi guys, I have a lot of customer ask me how to turn off the beeping noise when your car is off. So let me show you how to do it. So it makes beeping noise after you're turned off, but people doesn't want it. So let me show you how to do it. Turn it on, and then press the source button. Turn it off, and then press the knob, and then general. Go to general, and then you have a set caution alarm. Turn it off, and then go back, and then let me turn it off. Yeah, it doesn't make no more caution alarm alert. Thank you for watching.